Hey everybody, welcome to Games and Grills. Chris here, and today I am doing pork belly burnt ends. I picked up a full pork belly from the local butcher, Bentic Packers, just around the corner from here. Cut it in half. I'm just going to do half of it today, but I'm going to do burnt ends, and I'm super excited to do these. So stick around, and we'll see how well they turn out. Alright, first thing we have to do is cube up our pork belly. So just cut your chunks to about... And Tracy is making fun of me. So about 1.5 to 2 inches square, because these things are going to lose a little bit of their size once the fat starts rendering down. Oh, like that, and then about the same size going through this way. And we'll come back once I've got these all cut up. Okay, we have the pork belly all cubed up now. So you can see here, this piece especially has got a lot of fat in it, so it'll render down really nice. Next, we'll get the rub thrown on. And the rub we're using today is Luton Booty Barbecue, their everything rub. This should go really well with the pork belly. You want to make sure that you get a good coating of rub all over every side of these cubes, so that the flavor of this rub can really shine through. Alright, then we're going to let these cubes sit, and we'll get the pit ready to go and throw these puppies on. Okay, we have the smoker up to temp, so what we're going to do now is put the pork belly on, off to the side there, because I'm going to have to set a few pieces right on the racks. That little rack was not big enough. Get the lid on quick before we lose too much heat. Alright, so we've got the smoker dialed in at about 270, 275, and we're going to let it run at that for about 3 hours on smoke. We've got some cherry wood in there, so it is going to hopefully add some really good smoke flavor to these pork belly burnt ends. And as you can tell probably by the wind whipping across here, it is another terrible day in Midwestern Ontario. I'm just going to swing the camera around here so you can take a look. It is windy and cold. The temperature is back up to about -11, but the wind chill is probably a lot lower than that. Yeah, it's great being in Canada. Stick around, we'll check on these in about 3 hours. Okay, these things have been on for just over 3 hours. And I had some tough times keeping the temperatures where I wanted to because of how cold and how windy it is out here. Like I showed you earlier, it's not a pretty day. So, without any further ado, let's get our first look at these things. Oh, wow! Don't those look awesome? Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm going to get these into a foil pan. We're going to take them inside, and I'll show you the next step. You are really going to like that. Alright, so the next step is going to make these even more tender than they already are. Because you can just pick one up and just give it a squeeze, and look at that. Fantastic. What I'm going to do is hit it with a little brown sugar. Kind of counteract the sweetness of, or the saltiness of the rub. Then butter. This is what is going to do the most work and make these tender little bits of awesomeness. Now, you might think my butter looks kind of funny, and that's because it was frozen. I thought we had some butter already out, but there wasn't. So I used a cheese shredder, and that did a pretty good job of getting this butter nice and good. There we go. And then the next step is to add some honey. So we'll throw in some honey, and then we'll get this back out on the smoker, cover it up, let it go for about another hour and a half. Okay, so we have pulled off the pork belly burnt ends, and Tracy is going to do the honors.
That was kind of a mess.
Oh yeah, I put 2 layers of foil on. Look at that. Oh, that smells amazing. Holy.
Let's cut one.
Okay.
They're so soft.
Yeah.
Let's take this one.
All right.
Oh goodness, they're so soft. That's just melted fat.
That looks awesome.
That looks excellent.
Mm-hmm.
How do you want them? Come off.
That looks good. Okay.
Oh, you want to try it?
Yeah, let's give it a
It's
try.
gonna be hot. I'll blow it off for you.
Oh, thank you.
His face, though, can't describe it. It could be because it's steaming hot and he doesn't know what to do. His face is red.
It just melts.
Just melts.
Everything melts. The fat, the meat.
It's too hot to eat. That's very good.
That is awesome.
The teeny tiny little bit I tried.
Yeah. All right. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. And if you like this, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, hit the thumbs up, share, and we'll see you next time.